welcome back to the channel. I've been doing very little lately, but now I just have to move a little on some of the cars out on the grassland outside the house. I have to see this 2003 Land Cruiser. I haven't had enough diesel, so I was just away shopping some other things yesterday. Luckily I had this one in the other car, so now I can fill up this one. I'm also thinking to move I need to move the Lexus a little to be able to move the Land Cruiser. After that I have to start looking at the Honda Civic standing behind here. I have to try to get in. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Started right away. That was nice. I have to move this one up here somewhere to be able to move away the Land Cruiser, to be able to start doing something with the Honda. So it's a little slippery under the grass here, but actually was able to drive into the snow. It's not that little snow, and it was able to go up here. Now we just see if I can just connect this one. It started up quite easy. Actually, I was afraid I'm going to get more problems, but no. Just have to move this one and to start digging in front other things, because one idea is to drive in cars through there. I mean, I had to move the lawnmower and different things had to be moved away. Yeah, then this evening again. Days go very fast. It's the middle of the winter in Norway. It's the darkest time, but now I have put on my light. I managed to take off the things over this old Honda Civic. I have put a charger on the battery. This one says it's supposed to be enough power here. So let's see if you're able to start it. 14 volts. Now there come some lights that haven't been turned off. Actually, I like this car. Here it is. Manually shock. Let's see. Yeah, come up the light for the shock. I'm not sure how much gasoline is on it. There. Put on the booster. Try to see. it's charging a lot. Maybe I need to go and get my charge tester to see. Setting 14.32. Charging normally. Okay, I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Yeah, put the light hard in the window here. But my test was telling me it was charging 14.3, and that is perfect for a Japanese car. So the dynamo alternator is looking to be working perfectly. There's no problem there. That's maybe why the battery in the car has survived so very long time. So now I'm just going to move this car away a little and try to clean up some snow in front of the garage. Right, now I started up the 2003 Land Cruiser. I'm just hanging on a wire, or what do you call slappertug? I'm not sure. Putting on some things to drag the Honda a little backwards. I get it up from the hole where it's standing. Then I managed to make some space here, because this garage has the opening on both ends. I can just drive the cars through from this side on in. So now this Honda Civic is going to go in here, but this tire has frozen to the ground. It's supposed to be a little warmer tomorrow also, so I just push away the snow around it and leave it, and then hope it's better tomorrow. Now we're going to just look at something on the Golf, because my e-Golf I got a problem when it was cold, so I'm going to see on that one. Yeah, before I forget it, just a little update. This is after I put in 6 LED lights in the small garage. This garage had a video when I was testing it, putting in the first one here. Then I put in number 2, but now I put in 2 on each side. The one in the back is a little screwed in. So this was getting very well. I get this light on a special offer, 250 Norwegian at Jula. It's 44 watts LED, 5000 lumen they say for each, and it's no problem working in here because of the light. Only problem is all the things, so that's a big problem. But yeah, at least I know this is working. Now I have to see another thing on the Golf, electric Golf. And it was cold now. This was freezing, so I couldn't open it. And the charge port is there. After I heat it up and get it to charge, I was supposed to close it. I couldn't close it. Now you see, when I lock up the car now, this go up, and I can't close it anymore. It's supposed to be this little thing. It's supposed to lock when I go in there. It doesn't work. Yeah, what I have done now, I have ordered a new electric control unit that's standing behind there. So can I get that one? You just have to change, get that to work as it should again. And it was freezing, that problem was coming, and after I heat it up with a heat gun and warm water and things, it just, I get it up, but I couldn't close it again. So that's a big problem. So yeah, please come back, see more of my videos, see other videos I have. I'm trying to get more done, and I'm getting more parts. I'm waiting for oil catch can for the Land Cruiser too. So when I get that one, I can start to put in an oil catch can for the oil coming from the top of the engine. And after that I can start to clean up the muff, not muff, but the valve system who is getting clogged up on all those cars, and try to get to clean out that too. So and that, and also, and now I get things cleaned up outside there. I have to clean up things and move out things from here and get some of the cars to here and into the garage and start fixing. Maybe, I'm not sure if I take the Lexus or the Honda or what I take in first, but I need to make space. So please come back, please visit my other videos, it's more than 400, and please like, subscribe and put comments. Thank you.